Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to design a WhatsApp chatbot for plant care tips. So I want to build a WhatsApp chatbot to respond to the plant care tips inquiries received on my WhatsApp number. Yes, I want to instantly reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. And here I'm going to build this WhatsApp chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here we are going to perform a process, that is we are going to create a Pabbly Chat Flow WhatsApp chatbot, and after creating a chatbot, whenever a user is going to send a message to that chatbot, then automatically user is going to receive a reply. So now here, if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot that automatically shares plant care tips with your customers. It's a great way to save time, improve customer support, and grow your nursery's engagement. So as you all know that I run a small plant nursery and often get questions from customer about how to take care of different plants, like how much sunlight or water they need or how to deal with pests. So answering these questions one by one takes a lot of time. So I can't always respond instantly. So I decided to create a WhatsApp chatbot that shares plant care tips automatically. Now when someone messages my business on WhatsApp, the chatbot helps them with useful tips based on the plants they ask about. This not only saves me time but also builds trust with my customers and keep them engaged with my nursery, helping me grow my fan base. Alright, so here on the screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created for my plant care tips using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already built by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp chat. Alright, so for that let me all take you to my WhatsApp account. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So now here let's suppose that I'm a user over here and I'm going to drop a text over here to this WhatsApp chat as, hey, I want to know about some plant care tips. And here you can see we have received a successful message which says, hi, welcome to Green Roots Nursery. I'm a plant care assistant. Select the name of a plant you'd like care tips for. So let's select rose over here. And here you can see we have received a rose care tips over here and the quick reply buttons are aloe vera, more plants and bags. So let's select more plants. And then we have received a message as choose another plant you would like care tips for. So we have received the option as money plant, snake plant and peace lily. So let's select peace lily over here. And here you can see we have received the care tip for peace lily over here. And here we have received the quick reply button as other plant names and the back quick reply button. So let's click on this back. And here you can see we are back to the main message. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created using Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn that how you can create this chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so here on my screen, you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's homepage and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. And now here to build a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard and here you might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chat Flow. So let me give a brief about it. Pabbly Chat Flow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their websites and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. Alright, so now here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chat Flow account step by step, then you can check out the video uploaded on our YouTube channel and available on our landing page as well. Alright, so now here I'm going to give a short brief that how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. So for that you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button given on the top right corner and from here you will be able to see option of WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here and here if you wish to learn that how you can use this particular method to add the WhatsApp number, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. Alright, and now here if you want to select the manual token connect, then you need to select this particular method, and then a dialog box will appear in front of you where it is going to ask for the Meta Access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for developers. And once you're going to set up the account, you are going to get all these details and you need to add the details over here, and then you need to click on this next and you are all set. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow account, and now here you can see some amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers available in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So here by using this particular feature, you can see all the WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number at one place. Then comes the contacts. By using this particular feature, you can create or manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queue. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each of the team members. Then comes the templates. So by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So by using this feature, you can create, send and schedule your broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flow. So by using this particular option, you can create new WhatsApp chatbots for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the settings, and here in the settings you can see some other features as well. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video available on our YouTube channel. Then comes the get help options. By using this particular feature, you can get the response for all your doubts regarding the Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chatflow, and now here we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business. And for that we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot by using a feature by Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. Alright, so we are going to access the flows. Alright, so now here in this flow builder, you can see all the existing flows created by me using Pabbly Chatflow. And now here we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, and for that we are going to add a new flow by clicking on this add a flow button given on the top right corner. And now firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is WhatsApp chatbot for plant care tips. And now after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see that you can set up the trigger as keywords, regex and template. So here if you wish to trigger WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from the template library. And here if you wish to set up the trigger as keywords or regex, then you can do it as per your need. So here let's suppose that we are going to choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we will add a keyword like hey. So this is a very basic keyword, and now firstly we are going to type the keyword and then I'm going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But people type messages in different ways. One person might say tell me about the rose care tips, while another might write I want to know about the plant care tips. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that a regular expression, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So here it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. So with this we have successfully set up a flow start. Now let's move to the next step. So now once my chatbot is triggered, I want to send a text message to my customer, or you can say to my user, as a hello or a welcome message. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as hi, welcome to Green Roots Nursery. I'm a plant care assistant. Select the name of a plant you would like care tips for. Alright, so here I've added a text over here, and here you can see I have used asterisk before this name. So here I've used asterisk before and after the name over here because this is a text format to make the text bold. So I've used this particular format to make this text bold, and now after entering the message, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with the text as rose, aloe vera, more plants. Alright, so here I've successfully added the quick replies button, and with this we have successfully set up this message box as well. So now after setting up this message box, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to set up the WhatsApp chatbot further for these quick replies button. So let's start with the rose rows. So if my user selects rows quick reply button, then automatically I'm going to send the plant care tip for rows over here. So for that I'm going to add a text over here, that is the entire care tip for the rose plant. Alright, so now after adding the tips, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here where I'm going to add the text as aloe vera, more plants and back. Alright, so now after adding these quick replies button, I have successfully completed this message box. And now similarly I'm going to add a text box for aloe vera as well. So let me add the text box. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added a text box for aloe vera as well. And now after adding these text boxes, let's move to the more plants quick reply button. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as choose another plant you would like to care tips for. And now here I'm going to add some quick replies button with more plants name. Alright, so let me add the names. And here you can see I have successfully added the names such as money plant, snake plant and peace lily. And now after adding the more plants name, I'm similarly going to set up the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button. That means the plant care tips for each of the plant over here by adding a text box over here. Alright, so let me add the text boxes. Alright, so here you can see I have successfully added the text boxes for each of the plant over here with the quick replies button with the other two plant name and the back. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button. And now here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect all the leftover quick replies button to the relevant message box. So let's start with aloe vera over here. So if my user is going to select aloe vera from this quick reply from this message box, then automatically it is going to receive the care tips for aloe vera. Then comes the more plant. So I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box, and then here comes the back quick reply button. So I'm going to connect it from the main message box. And now similarly I'm going to connect all these quick replies button to the relevant message box. Alright, so let me do that. Alright, so here I've successfully connected all the quick replies button, and now after creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our plant care tips, I'm going to save this flow first. So for that I'm going to click on the save button. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved the flow that we just right now created. So now after creating the WhatsApp chatbot, let me test the chatbot that we just right now created. And for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account, and now let's clear the chat to start it from the scratch. And again, let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop a text over here as, hey, I want to know about some rose care tips. And here you can see we have successfully received the text over here. That means we have successfully set up the entire WhatsApp chatbot for our business. Alright, so now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. But here before summarizing the chatbot, let me show you all the amazing feature that Pabbly Chatflow offers is of inbox. So here in the inbox, you can see all the WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number. And here you can also see the status of the message as sent, delivered or read. And not only this, you can also see the customer, or you can say the user details available in the right side panel over here. Alright, so this was all about the inbox feature. Let me all take you back to the flows. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected our trigger type as keywords and regex, and once the user is going to send a message to our WhatsApp number, then automatically our WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered, and then automatically a hello or a welcome message is going to be sent to our user with the quick reply button as rose, aloe vera and more plants. And now further we have set up the WhatsApp chatbot for each of the quick reply button with their plant care tips and the other quick replies button. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created. And now here if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots in future as well, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. And now here if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you understand the entire chatbot. That's all for this video. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.